Hello friend, we'll show you how you can use the soft phone using the actually it is echoing, so I am stopping the microphone here. Actually the speaker I am stopping, otherwise it is getting echoed. So to use the soft phone from Android mobile for FTTH VoIP, what we can do is that we go to the Play Store. There we'll download an app, Grandstream Web. So this one I have already downloaded. If someone is not downloaded, so you can download this one, Grandstream Web. So it will look uh, like this. GS Web. Yes, as you can see, I am already registered with the same number as I have shown in the previous video. Uh, to set up this app, after downloading, you go to the setting option here. Then you go to the account setting. Here I have already added an account. If you don't have any account, or you already not added an account with your Grandstream Web, so please click on this plus symbol, this one. So click this one and to go to the SIP account is again see the steps. Click on the plus button and then go to this SIP account. There you click on the account name. Here to give the telephone number with 91 prefix and STD code. For me it is 91, the West Bengal number 0. This is what the number. In your case, you please add the number you are being provided by Bsnl. So we take prefix 91, so 91, then STD code, then the 6-digit telephone number, or whatever the number given by Bsnl. Okay, then click OK. In my case, I have already added, that's why I am pressing the cancel button. Then you go to the SIP server. Here you give the same IP whatever you used to set up the Zoiper app. Here it is actually in my case 10.187.2.12 with a colon, then a port number. Those who have not watched the previous video, please go through that. Here I have explained from where you will get this information. This IP you will going to get from Bsnl, and 5060 is a default port number. Generally for SIP UTP, this port number is being used. So this one by default will be same, this port number, and for IP may vary, but for West Bengal region it is 10.187.2.12. So I have already added. You then please click OK. In my case, I have already added, that's why I will click again cancel. Then SIP user ID. This is in most cases it is the same number, 91. That means the number of your FTTH with the STD code and prefixing that 91. Or it is information you will get from Bsnl, so don't worry about that. From where you have taken the connection, please ask them, they will provide this one. This is a very common information, so there will be no issue of getting this one. So you click OK. In my case, I have already added this one, so that's why I am clicking the cancel button. Then the SIP user ID. SIP user ID I have already added. Then the SIP authentication ID. This one also, the 91 the STD code with 9133, then the 6-digit number. Then please click OK. In my case, I have already added, that's why I am clicking cancel. Then the password. This one is a confidential information. In my case, whatever the password, I will type that one. Whatever your password you will get from this one, this information also from Bsnl side. So whatever the information you get, you please write here. So then click OK. In my case, I have already added this one, that's why I will click the cancel button. So that's all. Then you click this tick arrow here. If you click the click arrow, then this line will appear, and if all goes well, that means your ONT version and whatever the steps I have shown you in the previous video, if all you've done correctly, then this symbol, this tick will be green, otherwise it will be red. If it is not registered correctly, then it will be red. Here I have connected my Android phone with the Wi-Fi, the same Wi-Fi using which I am using my laptop also, and also one analog phone is connected with that ONT. So no issue with using simultaneous phone. I have not faced any issue in registering simultaneous devices. In some instances, call problem may arise, but there are very few such instances, so very negligible. Almost in all cases, the calls are going fine. Incoming and outgoing calls are very easily getting connected, so no worry about that. So if you add all these numbers, all these credentials, if you add it with your account, then click this one, and then in the below screen you can go to the keyword option, the keypad option. There you can type the number whatever you want to dial, so dial the number and then click dial. So this should work. In my case, that's all. And using all the settings, your connection should work. You should be able to make calls. So that's all. I think these settings will work, so good luck.